I'm Dan Roscoe, lead engineer with Maytag Commercial Laundry. I'm here to show you that what's inside matters. We're talking about the engineering behind the MAT20 top-load washer. We know a commercial washer has to be durable to stand up to the demands of the commercial laundry environment. And we also know that if a service need arises, the washer needs to be as easy as possible to diagnose and resolve. So our machines are built to be durable, reliable, intuitive to use, and easy to service. We'll focus on a different feature of the MAT20 in each video. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at the deep water wash system of the new Maytag MAT20 top-load washer. We now offer the consumer 4 distinct cycle selections along with revenue-generating modifiers for water temperature, heavy soil, and extra rinse. 3 cycles are clearly designated as deep water cycles with traditional fill levels and water temperatures that consumers expect from a commercial top-load washer. The 4th cycle, Normal Eco, provides an option that conserves water and energy usage through lower wash temperatures and a series of spray rinses that meet federal energy standards in 2018 and beyond. We start each cycle with a spin fill. While the tub fills with wash water, the basket slowly rotates to evenly wet down all laundry regardless of load size and completely dissolve detergent, which may have been added to the top of the load. Once the wash fill is complete, an industry-proven traditional Vane Agitator quickly and efficiently begins the cleaning process. This agitator is designed to aggressively clean the clothes while efficiently turning the load over multiple times per cycle. New with the Maytag MAT20, we've combined a traditional wash experience with the technology of variable stroke wash action. Powered by a new 1/2 horsepower permanent split capacitance motor, each cycle employs up to 3 distinct stroke patterns engineered to provide exceptional cleaning performance regardless of load size, soil level, or fabric type. This optimized deep water wash system is designed to provide end users with the flexibility they want, the performance they deserve from a Maytag, and the revenue-generating capabilities that owners look for. You can learn more about the machine and its features at maytagcommerciallaundry.com.